tell you about my moment important in my life. So, I graduated from senior high school since 2025, and I confused to continue when where I went to university or work in government staff. And my cousin showed me registered with the police, and I tried and I trained in Mandala. I'm very excited to register with the police. I registered around March on 2025. I followed the test until finish test, and God said otherwise. I was not pass the test, and after that I tried again. I registered again on 2025, and I followed until middle test, and yeah, I fail again because I don't get I want in my life. So I'm very proud of me, and I'm very excited lah. And